It's a Chevrolet. Got a 5500 heavy duty Duramax. It's an Entourage camper. This thing is crazy. I've never seen one with a big, freaking huge truck, 4-wheel drive. Look at this thing. Huge. Got a nice shower. Got your bed back here. It's like a king, a queen. Got your TV. Got your storage. Magic Chef cooking. Full size sink. Look at this thing. You got lights everywhere. And your big old jacked up 4-wheel drive Chevy truck, man. 186,000. Got your TV here. Wow. $100,000.